Hi everyone, this is Jamela over at Viva La Vintage for your home. Thank you again for joining me for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. If you're new to my channel, thank you for joining me, and I hope you hang around and stay a while, and please subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I am going to talk about my guest room refresh. So if you're all about creating a design on a dime, you've come to the right channel, so stay tuned and let me show you what I've done on a budget. So here is the guest bedroom. Now I haven't done much in 5 years, but I just wanted to kind of give it a refresh. There was a door situation that I wanted to kind of fade into the room. Also, I wanted to change out the pillows, maybe the mirror, change that out, and also just create more of a boho style in this room. So this is where I started. This is how it's been looking for the past couple of years. And so it just needed a little bit more of a tweaking going on. And I also created an accent wall. Now I love mixing pillows and having different patterns together, but for a guest bedroom, I think I had a little too many pillows on the bed. And this area here is where I wanted to create the accent wall, because there's a door that just is cumbersome that really doesn't get used in the room, but I didn't want it to stand out. Now I am keeping the bedding and the window treatments because those are fine. I am going to switch out some of the pillows, and like I said, I'm just doing some tweaking in this room. So here is my new wall hanging that I bought on Amazon, and also I changed out the light shade. And this here I covered up a planter by some wall panels that I bought at Goodwill. Now guys, don't strangle me over my bird of paradise because I didn't get a new one. This one is my survivor plant, and I plan on keeping it. It is making a comeback, so I'm holding on to it. This color is called Dark Night by Sharon Williams, and I didn't want to go with black. I just wanted something to pick up that color that was in the curtains. So this is like a very dark teal, but almost like black. Here is a view of the curtain panels that are up close, and as you see, there is a dark teal in the panels. I wanted to just keep something that would blend with that and also accent the wall color. On this wall, I added a macrame wall hanging, and also for the dresser, I just kind of got rid of some of the little collectibles on there and just kept it kind of neat and tidy with just some plants, and I added a runner. The trunk at the foot of the bed was starting to get a little crowded as well, so I just kind of got rid of a lot of the collectibles on here and just streamlined everything and just kept my plants and made it nice and tidy. Also, if you notice, I switched out the lamps in the room. I found these vintage amber glass lamps at a thrift store for $40 for the pair. That was a fantastic find, and that gave me kind of the boho look that I was also wanting. One lamp sits on the nightstand and the other sits on the bar station that I have set up for my guests. I also added another painting on this wall, which is that vintage leopard painting that I scooped up for just $5. And on the bedding, I couldn't go wrong with some animal print as well for the pillows. I narrowed down my selection to just 3 pillows, and that keeps it at a minimal, so when I have company, it's not a lot of pillows to take off the bed. So just a recap of around the room, you see I just changed out a few things, and I created a nice new look for the room without breaking the bank. So small changes made a nice impact in the room, and also by creating that accent wall, it accomplished the look that I wanted. I hope you were inspired by some of the changes that I made, and if you did, how about leave me a comment, and also like this video, and don't forget to share. And thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. Happy hunting while you thrift your house into a home. See you in my next video.